Well, our New York correspondent is Jessica Lamazaria, and she's outside the courthouse for us live now in New York. Jessica, just tell us a bit about this particular civil case against Donald Trump.
This case has been billed as New York versus Trump, and this trial will essentially attack his reputation as a businessman in the city where he made his name. The judge in this civil case has already ruled, as you mentioned, that Trump committed fraud by essentially overvaluing his riches and getting tax cuts for that. And the judge has suspended Trump's businesses, his business, because it's all under the umbrella of the Trump organization. But the New York Attorney General, she wants more. Tish James wants Trump to be fined up to $250 million, and he could end up losing some of his signature properties in this case. Now, this trial could end up really cutting his ties with the city that made him, because he could be barred from running businesses in New York. So if successful, you could say that he's going to be kicked out entirely of the New York real estate industry, which is what made him famous in the first place. Now, Trump denies everything. He calls it a witch hunt, and he's even launching personal attacks against Tish James, accusing her of being racist.
Jessica, I know you are outside the courthouse at the moment. Give us a sense of the atmosphere. Are Trump supporters there, for example?
Well, earlier I saw one Trump supporter holding up a MAGA flag that said Trump or death. But there are not as many Trump supporters as one might expect. Just the odd one shouting, "We love you, Donald Trump," but really just a handful. There are a few more anti-Trump protesters holding up signs saying things like "Trump lies." When Tish James went into the courthouse, they cheered. Security is really heavy around here. But yeah, not quite as many protesters as at previous Trump appearances here at courthouses in New York.
Jessica Lamazaria live outside the courthouse where that Donald Trump civil trial is getting underway for fraud. Thank you very much.